Sarma took oath of a member of a legislative assembly on opening day of 16th legislative assembly session in Guwahati. The oath was administered by a pro tem speaker of Chandramohan Patovari, and in a ceremony of marked a formal beginning of new assembly terms. The chief minister, along with another legislative pledge for office and secretary of setting a stage for a legislative business ahead. Leaders expressed optimism about the government in the new terms, highlighting the importance of this swearing-in ceremony as a milestone in Assam's political journey.
এতিয়া মই অসমৰ মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী মহোদয়ক ৬ষ্ঠ অসম বিধানসভা